Muli po, nandito tayo sa part 2 ng ating math video tutorial. Patungkol pa rin, we're still on the branch of mathematics which is algebra. At syempre nakafocus tayo sa solving equations. Part 2 na tayo ng solving one-step equation. Okay? So, ngayon po, dadako na tayo doon sa multiplication and division. Okay? Now, punta po tayo dito sa example C. Alright. So, ang rule, kasi this is actually an example of multiplication, ano? Yan po ay example ng multiplication. Alright. So, isulat po natin siya. Multiplication. Alright. So, example po siya ng multiplication. At ano po yung ating rule when it comes to multiplication? Okay, ang rule po natin excuse me is of course to divide, okay, both sides to divide both sides by the number, okay, by the number attached, alright, attached po doon sa ating variable, attached to the variable. Okay, A po yan, okay, variable. So, para mas maintindihan natin yan, we have an example which is example C. So, okay, so we have 10J equals 40. So, makikita po natin ano ba yung number na attached o nakadikit sa ating variable or letter. So, ang makikita nating letter dyan ay si J. Ano yung number beside J? That is 10. So, ang gagawin po natin dyan, okay, alright, we are going to divide as what the rule says, divide both sides. Again, both sides of the equation po, hindi lang yung isang side, hindi lang yung left, pati rin yung right. Divide both sides by 10. Kasi ito yung usually nagiging problema ng mga students natin. Kung minsan, ang dinidivide lang nila yung left. Pero kailangan i-divide mo rin yung right. Both sides nga eh. Okay? So, of course, this will be 1. Okay, so it doesn't necessarily mean na kailangan mo isulat yung 1. So, what is 40 divided by 10? Yes, that is 4. So, ang solution natin dito ay, kasi 40 divided by, yeah, let me just make some correction po ha. Baka may mali ako nasabi. 40 divided by 10 is of course 4. Alright, so i-check na natin. Pwede natin i-check ang sagot natin kung tama o hindi. So, 10, palitan natin ngayon si J ng 4. Okay? So, usually po, pag magkatabing ganyan, ang in-imply po kasi sa atin, 10J, ang operation na imply dyan is multiplication. Okay? Alright. So, tingnan natin kung mag-balance yung equation natin equals 40. So, what is 10 times 4? Of course, it's 40. Kaya balance pa rin ang ating equation. Okay? So, tandaan po natin yung rule. Pag multiplication, we divide both sides by the number attached to the variable. Tagalogin natin. I-divide natin yung ating equation doon sa numero na nakadikit doon sa letra. Okay? Alright. Ayan. Okay, so nag-balance yung ating equation. Next. 40 is equal to 40. Next. Oh, sorry po. Alright, now, how about ito naman po? Ito ay example ng, palitan natin. Okay, gawin na, yes, blue. Ito naman po ay example ng division. Okay? Division po ito. So, this is an example of division, and the rule states that we have to multiply, magmo-multiply po tayo rito, multiply both sides, huwag po natin kakalimutan yan, both sides by the denominator. Division, multiply both sides by the denominator. So, gawin natin mas simple. Pag sinabi nating denominator, di ba sa fraction, yung nasa taas po ang tawag natin, yung numero sa taas is, ang tawag natin doon ay numerator. Yung numero sa baba is denominator. Okay? Alright. Or, the bottom number, o yung numero sa ilalim, no? Tinatagalog po natin at saka in-English natin. Now, in this scenario, example, so meron tayong V as in victory over 8 is equal to 2. Okay, so V over 8 or V all over 8 is equal to 2. So, anong sinabi ng rule sa atin? We have to multiply. Okay, multiply both sides by the denominator. Okay, underline natin, multiply both sides by the denominator. So, sinabi ko na ang denominator natin dito ay, of course, 8. So, i-multiply natin siya sa 8. Both sides po ha, hindi po isang side lang, both sides. Alright, so ito makakancel na. Yes. Bakit? Kasi 8 times 1, kasi 1 yan eh. 8 times 1, 8. 8 divided by 8, 1 din. So, I prefer to cancel it. So, V. It doesn't necessarily mean na kailangan mo pang isulat yung 1V, no? V lang yan. Okay. So, what is 2 times 8? Pag parenthesis po kasing ganyan, nasa loob yung 2, ang implication, ang operation that we're talking about is multiplication. So, 2 times 8, that is now 16. Alright, yan po yung ating solution. Okay? So, madali lang po. Now, let's check, ano? I-check natin. Pwede naman natin i-check eh. So, palitan natin si V ng 16 over 8 equals 2. Magbabalance ba yung equation natin? Yes. Kasi 16 divided by 2. 16 over 8 po, division po ang ibig sabihin nun, no? Okay, division. 16 over 8 also can be stated as 16 divided by 8. Okay? So, which is, the answer po, of course, is 2. So, nag-balance yung ating equation. So, sana po ay may natutunan tayo tungkol sa pagsosolve natin ng mga one-step equation, no? Particularly, yan po ay nakatuon sa algebra. So, sana naintindihan po natin, matandaan natin yung rule sa addition, sa subtraction, multiplication, and division. And then, until next time po,